Hello there and welcome to another episode of Space Engineer Survival. So last time I managed to catch two business shipments, so of course the next thing to do is to grind them. Unfortunately I don't have a dedicated grinding ship, so I try to improvise by adding grinding parts to my current drilling ship. Unfortunately, as you can see, it doesn't work so well as the controls are slightly changed. The grinders are pointing downwards compared to the cockpit. Clearly I need a more appropriate ship, but to do that I need first to upgrade my cabin. So what I used to do before is to build here at on the roof of the cabin, but it's poorly lit and quite tight, so it's quite difficult. So what I am going to do is expand here, create a platform specifically for building ships. I guess you know how this is going to go. I'll just put one block after the other. Then once I'm happy with the size of the platform, I will just build them all up. So I'm going to start with the landing gear, of course, and on top of it a cockpit. But rather than just putting it, I'm going to raise it first. That way I can grind off everything else and build under it. I'm thinking of keeping it for now to keep it stable. I'm going to remove it. It'll be fine. Let's see, so we can start with a oxygen tank. You can put it under. That's kind of changing my plans. So take that off. Putting it behind. There we go. Oh, I need a medium cargo container. Oh, that's a large one. There we go. Oh, and another one on each side. So I also need the grinder at the front. It's of course going to be connected to the cargo containers with a large conveyor port. Now I need a conveyor. What is the conveyor? There we go. 3 of these. Go back to the medium cargo container. Same thing, just as in the front. And instead of the grinders, I want welders. Let's see, where are they? There we go. Three of these. The original plan is to mirror the ship on the other side. Unfortunately, the second cockpit would not be connected to the oxygen tank. Anyway, going to put in the cockpit. I'll think about it later. Let's see, what could I do? I could put the oxygen tank a bit on the side, offset. That would allow me to connect both cockpits to the oxygen tank, even if it looks asymmetrical. There we go, a curved conveyor tube here. Another one on the other side. It works even if it looks a bit weird. See, now I mostly want to weld everything. To speed up the process, I'm going to replace the grinders on the miner with the welder blocks. Now I need to adjust the propulsion, so I'm going to pick up everything I need. Go. Let's see, 2 thrusters here. Same thing on the other side. Now I have 4 thrusters left and right. 2 thrusters here. Also want 4 thrusters. That's ending up being 8, so to remove 1 from each set. There we go, 1 more. And I accidentally took 1 off, 1 more than I should have. Let's see, what is the thrusters? There we go. Can replace that. Let's see, 4 facing up and 4 on each side. Also need same thing on the front. There we go. 2 on each side. Out of large steel tubes. Let's see, where are they? There we go. That's all I have. I have 4 thrusters on the front. I'm still missing 1. There we go. Let's see. Still need 4th facing down. Go.
Your health is low.
Getting stuck on the drilling ship.
Health critical.
Guess I should have turned off the welders. Go, where are they? There we go. That'll make things safer.
Your health is critical.
Okay, still need 1. There we go. I have 4 thrusters in each direction, so I want connectors. I need steel tubes, steel plates, I mean. There we go. Almost there. Don't really like this oxygen tank. Let's see, how could I do it? First let me unload, so that I can safely grind it and not end up with floating parts. There we go. For the connectors the same. Erase the... let's see. So I need to raise it to raise what's called the tank twice. 2 blocks. Put these 6-way connectors. Use conveyors to reach into the cockpits. There we go, that's 2. And that's the other 2. Now I can have the oxygen tank connect to the 6-way connectors, and both cockpits will be connected and supplied. And I connect the 6-way connector to the conveyor at the bottom. That way the whole thing is connected to the conveyor system, especially the connectors on the sides. That way I can fill the tank. There we go. It's a bit high, but it'll work. Now I need to weld them up. There we go. Go fast forward to avoid the boring part. I guess that's it for this episode. Now I need to take advantage of this new ship to do some upgrades to the cabin, then head back out to finish grinding the ships. Let me know what you think with the like and dislike buttons. Also leave a comment if you feel like it. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new episodes. I hope I'll see you next time.